Hi, I'm Dr. Mary. Have you recently looked in the mirror and asked yourself, what is happening to me? Maybe you find yourself scraping yourself out of bed even after 10 hours of sleep. Maybe you're counting calories and exercising, yet the number on the scale stubbornly climbs. Or conversely, you're losing weight rapidly without doing anything and feel your heart racing as if it's going to break your chest. These signs aren't just fatigue. They might be a cry for help from your body. Most of us dismiss such complaints as stress of modern life, aging, or a busy work schedule. However, there might be a much deeper chemical story your body is trying to tell you. The real culprit could be that small butterfly-shaped organ located at the base of your neck, your thyroid gland. Thyroid diseases progress so insidiously that millions of people live with these symptoms for years without even knowing they're ill. In this video, we'll dive deep into 10 silent signals that your thyroid is out of balance. Get ready to meet this silent manager of our body. Think of your thyroid gland as your body's master thermostat or an orchestra conductor. Its primary job is to produce thyroid hormones using iodine from the food you eat. These hormones determine exactly how each of your cells uses energy. If your thyroid becomes sluggish and doesn't produce enough hormone, we call this hypothyroidism. It's like your car's gas pedal not working. The engine slows down, energy drops. Conversely, if it produces too much, it's hyperthyroidism. This time, it's like the gas pedal is stuck. The system overheats and burns out. First on our list is fatigue. Hypothyroid patients describe it as feeling tired to my bones. Your cells can't produce energy. With hyperthyroidism, you're so wired that your brain and heart won't shut off at night. You end up exhausted due to lack of sleep. Are you seeing a nutritionist, counting calories, but your weight won't budge? A slow thyroid dramatically lowers your basal metabolic rate. Your body stores energy as fat instead of burning it. In hyperthyroidism, your appetite increases, but your metabolism is so fast that you constantly lose weight. When the thermostat is broken, you can't adjust the heat. Hypothyroid patients complain of freezing hands and feet even in summer because a slow metabolism doesn't produce enough body heat. If you have hyperthyroidism, you'll sweat even in winter because your cells are constantly working overtime. Your hair follicles have some of the fastest dividing cells in the body. When your thyroid slows down, your hair becomes dry, dull, and falls out in clumps. Specifically, thinning of the outer eyebrows is a very specific sign of hypothyroidism. Your skin may also become dry and flaky, and nails become brittle. We call this brain fog. Forgetting why you entered a room doesn't have to be a sign of aging. Thyroid hormones are critical for your brain's neurotransmitter balance. Without enough hormone, your mind gets lost in a thick fog, making focus nearly impossible. Issues you think are psychological might be entirely hormonal. Hypothyroidism affects serotonin levels, making you feel constantly depressed and unhappy. Hyperthyroidism is an anxiety machine. It can turn you into a constantly tense, panicky, and irritable person. Your digestive system is at the command of the thyroid. If your metabolism slows down, the movements of your intestinal muscles also slow down, leading to chronic constipation. If your thyroid is overactive, your intestines speed up, causing unexplained bouts of diarrhea or frequent bathroom visits. One of the scariest signs of hyperthyroidism is heart palpitations. You might suddenly feel your heart beating 100 to 120 times a minute while just sitting. This tires the heart long term. In hypothyroidism, your heart rate can drop well below normal, creating dizziness and blood pressure imbalances. Are your muscles aching without heavy exercise? Hypothyroidism can cause fluid and lactic acid buildup in tissues. This leads to unexplained muscle cramps, joint pain, and specifically carpal tunnel syndrome in the wrists. Your body is telling you there's an imbalance. For women, the thyroid is in direct communication with reproductive hormones. Hypothyroidism can cause heavy, painful, and long periods. Hyperthyroidism can cause periods to stop altogether. In both cases, loss of libido is very common and directly impacts your quality of life. So you went to the doctor and had a blood test. What do those letters mean? The first value checked is TSH, but here's a critical detail. TSH is not a hormone produced by the thyroid itself. It's a message sent to your thyroid by the pituitary gland in your brain. Think of it like a boss-worker relationship. Your brain is the boss, the thyroid is the worker. If the thyroid is being lazy, the boss shouts louder. That means your TSH level rises. So, a high TSH actually indicates a slow thyroid, or hypothyroidism. This is the most commonly confused topic. Your doctor also looks at free T4 and T3 to see active hormones. If your immune system is attacking your own thyroid, like in Hashimoto's or Graves' disease, TPO and TG antibody tests are ordered to detect this. These tests are the keys to diagnosis. Thyroid issues often start silently, but deeply shake your quality of life. If you're experiencing several of these 10 signs, stop blaming it on a stressful month. Take charge of your health and ask your doctor for a comprehensive thyroid panel. Early diagnosis is everything. Remember, thyroid diseases are very successfully treated once diagnosed. A small daily supplement or lifestyle change can give you your energy and life back. Never stop listening to your body. Do yourself this favor. Which of these signs are you experiencing? Have you had a thyroid test before? Share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Dr. Mary. Be your own body's detective and stay healthy.